Hello, this is a demo of our secure multi-party computation protocol that we implemented using 3 Tello EDU units and 3 Raspberry Pi units. 3 Raspberry Pi units communicated with each other using a point-to-point private mesh network that is also offline, so no internet connectivity. These Raspberry Pis utilize the open source framework CJDNS to basically talk to each other using this private encrypted point-to-point mesh network. And as you can see, each Raspberry Pi has a corresponding Tello EDU drone unit. On the right, we can see the first Raspberry Pi with the first drone. In the middle, we can see the second Raspberry Pi with the second drone, and on the left we can see the third Raspberry Pi on the third drone. In this implementation, the drones are programmed to react differently based on the outcome of the secure MPC computation. In this case, the drone on the right is programmed to increase its height if the result of the MPC circuit is less than 90. The drone in the middle will come forward 150 centimeters if the result of the MPC circuit is between 90 and 100. Similarly, the drone on the left will immediately land if the result of the multi-party computation protocol is greater than 100. Now, I'm going to execute the secure MPC circuit by basically inputting 20, 27, and 31. The outcome of this MPC circuit should be less than 90. Therefore, we're expecting the first drone to move up a little. So now I'm going to execute this. As you can see, the computation is happening right now. Drones are flying. As you can see, the first drone on the right moves up a little. Now, I have changed the input parameters to 20, 40, and 31. Upon execution, we are expecting the drone in the middle to move forward 150 centimeters. Now I'm going to execute. The calculation is taking place. Now, I have changed the input parameters to 33, 35, and 35. Now, we are expecting the third drone on the left to immediately land upon the execution. Now I'm going to execute. Execution is happening. As you can see, this was a prototype of a secure multi-party computation protocol in an encrypted mesh network. Basically, any kind of a parameter can be optimized using a secure multi-party computation in a securely fashioned manner. Things such as payload, destination to distance, or any other secret values can be optimized in this private encrypted multi-party computation. Thank you very much for watching.